Imagine a single mountain and carved deep into its heart stands a gigantic temple holding the secrets of an unbelievable 1,000-year-old architectural marvel. This is not just stone-cutting art, it's an extraordinary fusion of three faiths, Hindu, Buddhist and Jain, located near Aurangabad in Maharashtra. This historic site is the Ellora Caves. Watch till the end to discover why Ellora Caves still ranks at the top of the world's greatest architectural sites and the true story behind the making of this stone epic. Ellora is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, a true archaeological masterpiece. These caves were built between the 5th and 11th centuries, carved out of the basalt cliffs of the Deccan Traps. There are a total of 30 caves, mainly divided into 3 groups based on religion. Buddhist caves 1 to 12, built between the 5th and 18th centuries. These were monasteries, viharas and prayer halls, chaitanas. For the Buddhist monks, look at the majestic carvings of the Buddha and Bodhisattvas. Hindu caves 13 to 29, sponsored primarily by the Rashtrakoot dynasty. These 17 caves hold the site's main Jain cave number 16, the Kailas Temple. The Kailas Temple is a single monolithic structure carved top down from one massive rock. It took nearly 150 years and the removal of approximately 200,000 tons of rock to complete this colossal structure dedicated to Lord Shiva. The temple's walls are aged youth scenes from the Narayana and Mahabharata, and one famous relief shows Ravan shaking Mount Kailas. Jain caves 30 to 34. These later caves, built between the 19th and 10th centuries, showcase the intricate and art devotion of the Digambar sect of Jainism. Look at the highly detailed carvings of the Jaina Tirthankars. These caves stand as a powerful statement to the religion's harmony and the pinnacle of art and engineering in ancient India. Ellora Caves is not merely a tourist destination. It is a time machine that transports you to a golden age of Indian architectural. Are you ready to hear the story behind every carved stone? So friends, have you ever visited Ellora? Share your experience in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more untold history videos. Thank you for watching.